If your resume looks like this, you are getting ignored, but with just 5 simple changes, you will stand out like this. Want to land your dream job? Let's fix your resume today. Hey guys, my name is Vijay and welcome back to Tech with Vijay. Today we are diving into one of the most critical topics for job seekers. The top 5 resume mistakes you need to avoid if you want to stand out and land your dream job. Your resume is your ticket to that all important interview, but even small mistakes can get it tossed aside. Stick with me for the next 10 to 12 minutes and I will help you make sure your next application is a winner. Number 1, grammar and spelling errors. Let's start with one of the most common and most avoidable mistake, grammar and spelling errors. These errors instantly tell recruiters you are not detail oriented. Imagine you are hiring someone and the first thing you see is a typo in their summary. Would you feel confident in their attention to detail? For example, imagine your resume says manager instead of manager, or list communication skills with a Z. These teeny slip ups can you make a big negative impression. These are some points in cover in this topic. Typos and incorrect grammar damage your credibility. Poor feeding shows professionalism. Recruiters often reject resumes with obvious mistakes. Evidence techniques. Read your resume out loud to catch awkward sentence or errors. Use free online tools like Grammarly, Microsoft Word, or spell checker. Ask a friend or a family member to review it with fresh eyes. Quick tip. Print your resume and check it line by line. It's amazing what you catch on paper that you missed on the screen. Mistake number 2, sending a generic resume. Next, let's talk about sending a generic or untolerated resume. Many people create a single resume and send it to every employer, but this approach rarely works. Why? Recruiters can spot a generic resume a mile away. It shows that you did not bother to research the role or the company, and that's a fast track for the rejection pile. Applying for a tech support job using a resume tolerated for a sales position. Copy pasting the same resume or same summary and experience for every application regardless of the job. Some points. Generic resume feels impressional. Every job is different. Your resume should be too. Customizing your resume shows interest and effect. These are avoiding techniques. Carefully read the job listening. Highlight keywords and skills they emphasize. Mirror those keywords in your resume provided you generally have these skills. Create a master resume with all your achievements, then copy and tweak it for each specific role. Mention the company name or reference of the job title in your cover letter or resume summary. Some example. The job description emphasizes customer support. Highlight your customer support achievements first, even if you have more years in another field. Mistake number 3, listening responsibilities, not achievements. Another big mistake is only listening your responsibilities instead of focusing on your achievements. Why? Employees already know what a typical job includes. They want to see what makes you stand out. For examples, weak, manage a team sales of associative. Strong, lead a team of 5 sales associative to boost regional sales by 18% in 6 months. See the difference. One describe your duty, the other spotlight a result. Some points here. Responsibility show what you did. Achievements show how well you did it. Numbers and data are powerful, guys. Action verbs make your resume dynamic. There is evident techniques. Use numbers whenever possible. Increase it efficiently by 25% or handle by 50 plus customers cost daily. Replace passive description with the action oriented language like launch, improved, designed, solved. If you lack hard numbers, focus on quantitative improvements like streamlined team communication, reducing delays. Think of each job we had. What you are most proud of? What did you improve or accomplish that a previous employee hadn't? Mistake number 4, including irrelevant information. Let's move on. Including irrelevant information, clutter that takes attention away from you what matters. Your resume should be tolerated for the job you want today, not the work you did a decade ago or skills unrelated to the role. For example, listing high school achievements when you're applying for mid-career roles, maintaining programming languages for a customer services job that does not require technical skills, including every job you ever held even if you unrelated. Some points here. Old unrelated job delight your message. Keep only what's relevant and recent. Focus on roles and skills that match the position you are applying for. Evidence techniques. Remove jobs older than 10 years unless directly relevant. Leave out hobbies or side skills unless they show unique value for the job. Create a relevant experience section near the top for targeted roles. Some checklist here. Does each item on your resume help convenience the employer? You are the best application for the job. If not, consider the cutting it. Last and final one, mistake number 5. Poor formatting and unprofessional design. Finally, let's address formatting and design because even the best content won't matter if your resume is hard to read. Why? A culture inconsistent or overly stylized resume can turn recruiters away even before they start reading. For examples, using comic sans or overly decorative fonts, mixing edit different colors and font sizes, dense paragraphs with no bullet points, making it hard to scan. What is bullet points here? First impression or visual. A clean layout highlight your content. Consistent formatting looks professional. These are avoiding techniques in mistake number 5. Use one or two professional fonts like Arial or Times New Roman. Break up the text with bullet points, no heavy paragraphs. Use clear sections headings with bold or unrelated text for emphasis. Stick to a simple color scheme like black, white, maybe one accent color. Try free resume templates from Google Docs, Canva if you're unsure where to start. Remember, most recruiters skim resume in 6 to 8 seconds. Make your easy to absorb at a glance. Recap and call to action. Let's quickly recap the 5 resume mistakes to avoid. Grammar and spelling errors. Poor feed and use tools to catch mistakes. Generic resumes. Tailor your application for each job and company. Responsibilities, not achievements. Shows result to not just duties. Use numbers and strong verbs. Irrelevant information. Only include what matters for the role you want. Poor formatting design. Choose a clean, consistent, professional layout. Avoid these mistakes and you will set yourself apart from the competition. If you found these tips useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe and turn on notification for more career and tech advice from Tech with Vijay. I would love to hear from you. What's the biggest resume mistake you would screen? Drop in the comments below. Thank you for watching and good luck with your next job application guys. Bye.